Here it is. He calls it the ministry of helpfulness. And his point is that every member of the community has a place and a purpose, without exception. And he writes this, and this is really worth pondering. I'm going to come back to it next time. In a Christian community, everything depends on whether each individual is an indispensable link in a chain. Only when even the smallest link is securely interlocked is the chain unbreakable. A community which allows unemployed members, and that means members who don't have a place and purpose, okay? Unemployed members to exist within it will perish because of them. It will be well, therefore, if every member receives a definite task to perform for the community, that he may know in hours of doubt that he too is not useless and unusable. Every Christian community must realize that not only do the weak need the strong, but also the strong cannot exist without the weak. The elimination of the weak is the death of fellowship. Bonhoeffer has this knack for saving the corker to the end of the paragraph. The elimination of the weak is the death of koinonia, of communio. And so I want to leave you with just that thought. This diversity of gifts is something that can be expected in any gathering around word and sacrament, and that part of the task I think of as overseer, as coxswain of the crew, is to ensure that everybody knows and understands and feels their place and purpose and value in the community. And if they don't, it's a risk to the koinonia, it's a risk to the fellowship.